Hey everyone, welcome back into Monday night. Mike Schultz with you once again. I hope you had yourself a good weekend. It was a little interesting seeing the light snow Saturday morning, but it kind of added to the flavor of the Yukon Quest, the start of the race. And after that, it just went away real quickly and the sun came out. And the rest of the weekend was really nice. And today was just gorgeous. And that's in our weather, basically our weather pattern for tonight. And we're talking again about a little bit colder temperatures tonight, but nothing really severe, maybe 10 degrees below zero. And a good chance once again for more auroras. There's a really good level of intensity from the sun, bringing some more opportunities there, so keep an eye out for that. And warmer as we head toward the weekend. We could be looking at temperatures in the low to mid 20s once again, so it all continues thanks to El Nino. Now, once again, we have air quality problems. Our air quality forecast is showing we're at stage 1, it's moderate for the Fairbanks area, and a stage 3, which means it's unhealthy for the North Pole area. So once again, a reminder, if you have respiratory problems, heart problems, and you want to keep the kids indoors, you might want to definitely think about that because that's a good idea. Here's what's going on the satellite and radar. Again, you can see more energy moving across southeast Alaska. That's helping to bring a little bit more rain activity down there, while the rest of the state is looking at just mainly mid-level to high-level cloudiness. No real heavy precipitation reported anywhere, and some mid-level clouds to the south of the Alaska area, and that, or there for the Fairbanks area, I should say, and that's going to remain that way because it just isn't strong enough to push north. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, over southeast Alaska, the rain is mainly over the Juneau area, where it's 44 degrees today, 48 at Ketchikan. They're looking at 50 for their high tomorrow. 31 in Anchorage with partly cloudy skies, a little shower activity around Kodiak, 37. Cold Bay looking at 36 degrees along the Aleutian chain. And then mid-20s for both Nome and Bethel with, once again, cold temperatures north of the Brooks Range, 11 below at Barrow. Fort Yukon, even colder, 15 degrees below zero there, so a little pocket of cold air over that area. What's going on across the lower 48? We can really see the high-pressure ridge well defined here as it just all the moisture rides over the top of it and then slides down, giving western sections of the country nice clear weather. Just the opposite to the east, as an area of low pressure has really developed well formed and bringing with it widespread snow over a large area of the country. That's going to continue. In fact, you can see where the heaviest snow is expected. Once again, over parts of, right around the into the Appalachian area for the most part. And then some snow shower activity around the New England area, which could be actually heavy, 6 to 12 inches. You can see here the readings are looking at some pretty heavy rainfall, or snowfall, I should say, where the dark blue is indicated there. And what's it all mean for the West Coast? Just the opposite. When it's high pressure, everything is clear. Some record high temperatures might be a challenge tomorrow over much of the California area into much of the southwest portion of the country. Now, as far as our kids' weather, well, once again, it is time for a new school. And then today, we're going to be talking with the kids from Weller Elementary School. In fact, here's a nice story from a young lady that how to take care of things when the snow falls.
Hi, my name is Sima. I'm in Mr. Kreska's 5th grade class at Weller Elementary. This is my weather story. This winter, our power went out for 2 days because of the snow. Since we couldn't use our devices, my family and I played games. We finished a puzzle, danced, and told stories with candles in the living room. We also got more time to play in the snow. Living without power is hard, but super fun.
And once again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, a young lady will be here with a picture to share, and you'll definitely be looking forward to seeing that. Here's what's going on as far as the forecast for tomorrow. As you can see, partly cloudy skies in Barrow and Fort Yukon, mostly cloudy skies for the Nome area, with temperatures once again very nice around Nome, 29 degrees. Elsewhere over the interior, looking at mostly sunny skies at Fairbanks. More clouds expected in and around Healy and Delta Junction. Delta looking at 17 degrees. And as far as the southeast, periods of rain are expected at Juneau and also in Ketchikan, with 50 degrees at Ketchikan tomorrow. How about that? Over the southwest part of the state, cloudy skies at Bethel. Rain is likely for Cold Bay, with rain and snow at Kodiak. And elsewhere, we're looking at, once again, temperatures very nice over the south central sections, with 40 degrees at Homer, partly cloudy skies for Anchorage, and rain and snow in Homer, and cloudy skies at Valdez. And as far as what's going on elsewhere, we can see the temperatures today. The high right now is 9 degrees. Recently, the high today was 16 degrees. The low last night, 10 below. The record high, 39 in 1986. Record low, 50 below in 1979. Your sunrise and sunset, about 7 hours and 43 minutes. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And as far as our forecast for tonight, looking at a few scattered high clouds, warmer in the hills, 10 degrees below zero. And then as far as the forecast for tomorrow, once again, looking at a beautiful day, lots of sunshine and a high temperature of 10 above. And as far as the 5-day outlook is concerned, again, we're looking at temperatures rising to the 20-degree mark, maybe up to even low 20s possible, with overnight lows, again, looking at very nice weather. Temperature looking at plus figures until maybe Saturday night, the earliest. That's about it. And maybe a chance of some light snow shower activity on Thursday. Now, our picture for tonight was a drone photograph taken from Mark Brazeau. He was able to capture the Yukon Quest from the air. Look at all the people that were involved. That big crowd there. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com.